the divergence theorem states that total outward flux of a vector field A through the closed surfaces is the same as the volume integral of the divergent of A. To prove the divergence theorem, subdivide volume V into a large number of small cell. If the kth cell has volume del Vk and is bounded by surface Sk, then closed integral suffix x a dot ds equal to sigma k closed integral sk a dot ds equal to sigma k closed integral suffix sk a dot ds divided by volume del Vk into del Vk. So this will be taking the limit of the right hand side, and we can write closed integral suffix x a dot ds equal to integral this v del into a into dv. This is the equal of surface equal to volume. Thank you.